Hi, Tanner.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm eating cereal.
You getting cereal?
Mom, I do. And then I'll cut it. Okay, Chloe. Say, Mom, I do. I have four.
You have Honey Nut Cheerios and regular Cheerios. Okay, that's all.
No cereal right now, really?
Yeah.
What?
Uh-oh. Mommy stepped in, doesn't want to give him Cheerios. Go ahead anyway, Tanner. At the very least, we're gonna get. At the very least, we're gonna film it. Okay, you're done. Come on.
Cereal and that's all.
Okay.
Where's the bowl?
You know where the bowl. Get the bowl.
I love it. Next time, can I get maple cereal?
Okay.
Yeah, Mommy, yeah. There you go. See? There's more cereal. Oh, yeah. Okay, Kawali. My name on my door. My name on door, my baby. That's all.
That's scary.
There
The milk doesn't go. You're gonna get milk and put it on the kitchen table.
Okay, there we go. No worry. Hi, Mommy. Put the shoes on them.
Yep. Still taping.
But first, let's put on your dress. Okay?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to break it up in multiple segments.
Look at that.
Oh, be careful. You got the Cheerios everywhere. Oh.
Cheerios out.
Think you're gonna need a spoon.
Now can you pour it, Daddy? Okay,
Yeah, I'll pour it, okay? Is this the, these are sweet ones? No, those are the plain ones, okay. Gotta make sure what the, yeah, still recording. I just gotta know what ratio to put these in here. Regular Cheerios to Honey Nut Cheerios. You wanna do the milk? Can you do the milk yourself? Yeah. It's about half full.
I don't do it.
You don't want to do it?
No.
Alright. Good boy. Always know your limitations, Tanner.
No, you'll end up Daddy.
Huh?
Well?
Why don't you just eat those? I think you're all done.
Please.
Why don't you take a bite so we can finish the video? Okay, I just don't have one hand. Alright, video's over. Bye-bye.